They do farming work because I no get, some of us will not get job, we don't even go school, come, no work. So now they do the farming work, carry support our younger ones, our children. I know be so much stress, my brother. Tiredness. No be so much stress, oh. My Richard now me see. Go tired because of the work, the over labor. As I did so, even they pray any of my picking me no do farm work. You better help me tell government they are begging me they help us. No farm work, no.
I want to talk for Abanyum. Say women they very hard working. How go talk am?
Abakala Banyum anyinga alimal tumo. Oh, talks Abakala Banyum anyinga alimal tum.
Aga.
Abakala Banyum.
Abakala Banyum.
Anyi.
Ga
alimal tum. Ngara alimal tum.
Abakala Banyum. Anyi. Ga alimal tum. Lam, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How you doing?
I'm fine, sir.
What be this thing they do like now? What's this thing that you're doing right now?
Na cocoa na.
What be this thing where they do with the cocoa?
Cocoa. We do this cocoa.
Like this one what they do?
Na cocoa they remove so because yes, they remove cocoa. Na cocoa come to yes from the kanda.
How long this cocoa they dey for here before you come out?
For bush, some the last 3 days, depend how the farm big reach. Some 1 week. Then as they pluck when they gather in one place, then we come remove them from the kanda.
Why you they do this farming work? Where you no go down that work?
They do farming work because I no get, some of us will not get job, we don't even go school, come, no work. So now they do the farming work, carry support our younger ones, our children. Some more money they come out, they carry 3 other ones since we no get job from government. Instead of to go still, I may would they do this work. I may would they do farm work. If not, the farm work is very, very hard though. It's how we will do.
Which time they wake up, say we won't come farm. Which time they wake up, which time they go house every day?
Some days are early farm 6 o'clock, some days 9 o'clock. Like today, from house come maybe around 9, 8 o'clock. And I feel go back 12 or 1 o'clock in the day.
So which time in the late they pass where they stay for farm?
Late. And they stay pass. It depends the work we are good to do now.
5 o'clock.
Sometimes 5 o'clock.
Yes, sometimes. Yes.
What will be some of the things where this farming work they do you for body?
Farming work they do me.
Like you just go farm, come back now. Sometimes.
No be so much stress, my brother. Tiredness. No be so much stress, oh. My Richard now me see. Go tired because of the work, the over labor. Just to get waiting, I go eat and take care of the younger one.
Like how much they make for this stress way they go through? How much they enter your pocket?
Like this very one. You know, say farm they type by type, yam farm or cocoa farm. So
now all you do.
Like this one. Even I cook farm on. My brother, and I just to find something to eat. If not, like this pepper, nothing. This one now, this very one, before I go, they will buy chemical, I will spray, all those things. Better money no they commercial, but how we go do them? Just to get something eatable, not to steal. Like they make us, they do this thing, what they do. Like farm. As I did so, even they pray any of my picking me no do farm work. Because no be some more work they. Men looking at you, they see us now. So you know they easy. But if you no do them, you no go eat now. The real thing where they make us, they do them so.
So you must do this work so that you go future.
Yes. Yeah, I told. Where? Who won't give me?
What of your husband?
My husband too no get better job now. All of us we are depending on farm. Even as we do this farm. My oga don't come out outside. He go try to hustle. No, we come back. The two of us who they do farm, so that to carry it.
Just farm. Now you do farm work. Now you go do for you. You don't get another work where you learn or where
like
you go.
me presently, no, I no get. And this farming work be my occupation.
Occupation.
Yes, na farm.
So farm.
I'm just now. From Monday to Sunday. Farm.
No, they go church.
Sunday. Now they use rest. Now Monday I start again. Just 1 week.
Sunday.
So Monday to Saturday.
Saturdays.
You go work.
Farm.
Sunday.
I go church, only church. Come back, come sit down. Then small work day they tell for the attachment for that Sunday. You know they go. Hey.
Where they get the strength to they continue every day? Where they get the strength?
Now by God's grace, I get the strength. I buy medicine, tablet. Can take.
So if you work this work 1 month now, you go feel make like 100,000. If you work this work 1 month, you go feel make like 100,000.
Even if they think come on 100,000, no, we say no. If you give me 100,000, if you give me the cheese where I go buy, like this year, over cost to spread before he go give you money go there. Then the small one way go make me. I carry they manage my life. They go. Some days I tire like this. I go buy drug to take. No way, nothing. But no better drugs, nothing. No, my brother, farm work no days they beg. You better help me tell government they are beg me they help us. No farm work, no farm work.
How many years do you do this farm work?
My dear, don't stay, don't last.
How many years?
For the farm work, don't really like 15 years. So they carry you.
Nkarasi II women.
Yes.
They walk
Or
where.
Abanyum women. Abanyum is the language where they speak now.
Abanyum.
Yes, but the name of this community now even Nkarasi II.
Oh, okay. So if I want to talk for Abanyum, say women, they very hardworking. How I go talk am?
Abakala banyum anyinga alimal tumo. Oh, talk abakala banyum anyinga alimal tum.
Aga.
Abakala banyum. Anyi. Nga alimal tum. Ngara alimal tum.
Abakala banyum.
Anyi.
Nga alimal tum. Thank you. No time.